Well, good evening, everybody. Here's Winter Storm Nemo. I'm off in my neighborhood, but the real heavy stuff just started coming down because you can't really make it out too good because of the lights, but this is my frosty windshield. Yeah, I cleaned my wipers off, and 2 minutes later, they're all crusted up. But that's the middle where the wipers don't reach, so that would really suck. But yeah, it's just looking out the windshield, side to side. Turn on the light here and see if that helps. Nope. But you can probably see the ice a little better anyway. But as long as I get this patch right down the middle, baby, throw all the snow you want at me. Good to go. Hope you're home and warm and dry, and if you ain't, I hope you're out making some dough. See ya.